BarryTiger. Subscribe!
Save the sleepless taxi! I'm so sleepy. Dear passenger, I'm Nina. Please tell me your location. Meow. I'm at number 155 Key Street. Sure, I'll be there soon. Goodness, Meow. Why isn't Nina here yet? Oh, Nina! Goodness, Meow! I think I fell asleep. Wait, what? That's so dangerous. I need to call another taxi. I'm sorry. It seems that I can't keep working. I should ask Super Mechanic Barry to help me. Super Mechanic Barry is off from work. I'll come again tomorrow. Hi, welcome, Nina. Super Mechanic Barry! I'm sorry for the late disturbance. It's okay. I'm happy to help. Dear friends, the repair will begin now. Oh, Nina's rooftop light is gone. Don't be sad. I have many rooftop lights here for you. I like this rooftop light. What do you think? This is for a police car. It's not for me. All right. Oh, I remember. It should be this one. Yes, that's right. It has the correct name for me. Next up, I'll start to repair these dents around you. Wait, this is a toilet plunger. Relax, it's brand new and clean. See? Look how perfect it is. Perfect! I like that word. Oh no, looks like I'm not that perfect. I can fix it for you. Let's apply some glue to attach the rear view mirror. Oh no, I squeezed too much. All done. Let's attach the rear view mirror back to the car. We need to adjust the angle first. Ta-da! All done. Now it's finally a perfect Nina. The repair is done. Dear friends, thanks for helping me. Super Mechanic Barry, thank you. I should get back to work. Wait a second, Nina. I think you should go home first and get some sleep because driving without sleep is very dangerous. Yes, you're right. I don't want to squash my face flat again. Bye-bye. I'm going home to sleep. Good night, Nina. I need to go to bed too. Police car wheel is broken.
I protect Barrytown. My name is Sheriff Lake.
Oh my goodness! Someone's robbing the bank!
Give me that right now!
Oh no, something bad happened.
Haha! Bye! Thanks for the money!
You stop!
Oh? It's Sheriff Lake! You want to catch me? No way! I think I'm gonna give you a hard time. Hey there, Sheriff Lake! Watch where you're going!
Oh no!
Sorry, I've got to go. I hope not to see you again.
Hey, stop! Oh no, I have to go to Barry's repair station.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Barry's repair station. My name is Super Mechanic Barry. Oh, someone Someone's coming! Oh, it's Sheriff Lake!
Super Mechanic Barry, please, I need your help right now.
Sure, no problem. Come on, friends. Let's fix the police car together.
Huh?
Oh, there's a nail stuck inside the car wheel. That's why the tire deflated. Let's use pliers to pull out the nail first. Oh, the tire is still deflating. Let's use some rubber to cover the hole.
My tire is still flat. There's no air.
Don't worry. I'm going to inflate your tire now.
Wow, this looks so cool.
And now, let's go to the car wash.
Wow, this car wash looks so professional.
Let's go ahead and see what's inside the toolbox. I think we should spray some washing liquid first. Oh, it looks like there are 2 spray bottles here. Which one should I use?
This one tastes sweet.
Oh my goodness! This is chocolate syrup.
Super Mechanic Barry, are you trying to make a police car cake? It tickles!
Now then, let's rinse the bubbles off with water.
Oh, that feels so cool!
Lastly, let's wipe the water off with a rag.
Wow, I feel so great!
Mission accomplished. Hey friends, thanks a lot for your help.
And now, I can continue doing my duty.
Help me!
What's that?
Hand over your wallet now.
A citizen needs my help. Goodbye, Barry.
Okay, Sheriff Lake, goodbye!
All this is mine now. Oh, it's Sheriff Lake. Gosh, I'd better run. I'm getting tired. I finally shook him off.
So who did you shake off?
Oh no!
Freeze! You're under arrest.
I promise not to do it again.
The uncontrollable food truck.
Hi, this is your super cheese pizza.
Smells great! Oh, thank you, food truck Yummy!
Enjoy it while it's hot. Next, please. Oh no, oh my gosh, what's happening?
Food truck Yummy, are you okay?
Oh, thanks. I think I'm fine. Ah!
I'm so unlucky.
Who turned off the light? I can't see anything. It's so dark.
Oh, hey guys, I think I have to go to Barry's repair station.
Huh? I think that's a sign that I'm hungry.
Hello, Super Mechanic Barry.
Hello, food truck Yummy. Didn't you make everyone yummy food today?
Oh, I couldn't because something's wrong. I can't make any food. Do you think you can help me?
Of course! Dear friends, let's fix food truck Yummy together! First, we must give food truck Yummy a checkup. Huh? Oh no! The food truck's circuit board is broken! We need to solder the broken wires back together.
It's so hot!
Hang in there! We're almost done! cameras are attached.
Wow! There's no more smoke!
Food truck Yummy, can you please check and see if everything is working all right?
Sure. It's lunchtime. I am going to make a delicious hot dog sandwich. First, we will need a soft bun. Then, let's add some fresh vegetables. Next, we'll add a hot grilled sausage. Lastly, let's drizzle some sauce on top. A delicious hot dog is all ready. Wow! All's going well. I think I can make yummy food for everyone again.
The repair is done. Dear friends, thank you for helping out.
Super Mechanic Barry, thank you. I have even more energy now.
That's really good to hear. Oh, by the way, I haven't had my lunch yet.
I'll take care of that.
Wow, a hot dog! Smells great.
See you, Super Mechanic Barry.
Goodbye! It tastes amazing. The ambulance is sick.
Hee-haw! My baby! What's wrong?
Good evening. This is Ambulance Angie.
Angie! My poor baby fell down! Hee-haw!
Don't worry, I'll be there right away. Don't worry, I'm here. I've been busy all night. I'm tired. What's happening to me? This is bad.
Oh, someone's here so early. Oh, it's Ambulance Angie.
Good morning, Super Mechanic Barry. After working all night, I suddenly can't move.
Uh-oh. Dear friends, let's repair the ambulance together. Ambulance Angie, before we start, we'll give you a checkup first.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's a problem with your engine compartment. And now, let us open up the hood and take a look inside of it. There's so much dust inside, I can't see anything. Oh, there's not enough engine oil, so there's smoke coming out. Engine oil is refilled. Let's spray some cleaning liquid, and the engine can work better.
That's awesome. I feel so terrific.
Ambulance Angie, I think you need to get a good rest.
Oh, that sounds like a good idea. I feel much more energetic now.
The repair is done. Dear friends, thanks for your help.
Thanks for your help, Super Mechanic Barry.
Angie, please, I need your help right now.
Don't worry, I'll be there right away. I must set out for the rescue. Goodbye, Super Mechanic Barry.
Goodbye, and see you again, Angie. Race car versus octopus truck.
Wow! The race is about to start, ladies and gentlemen! Let's give a warm welcome to Race Car Cyclone! And the next is...
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Octopus Truck, who will defeat Cyclone and become the champion.
Stop your boasting. Just wait and see.
Well, the best is yet to come.
How about that, Octopus Truck? I told you, you're no match for me.
Then here's my ink attack.
Oh no! I can't see anything!
Oh no! A player is injured! Pause the race!
Oh gosh, someone was hurt in the race earlier.
I think you're talking about me.
Oh, race car cyclone.
Super Mechanic Barry, can you fix me? I have to rush back to the race.
Leave this to me. Dear friends, let's repair the race car.
The ink smells so bad, and I'm covered in it.
I think the heavy-duty wash gun can rinse off the ink.
Wow! I love showers!
And now, we need to dry the water off the race car.
Woohoo!
Hooray! The repair is done.
This repair station is so advanced! I like it!
Uh-oh! Cyclone, you have a flat tire.
Aw, I don't like it at all.
Don't you worry, we will get you a new one to use. We'll remove the broken tire first. Then, let's see what we have in the toolbox.
Wow!
Cyclone, please choose your favorite one.
Whoa, the rainbow tire! I like it!
Now, we'll put on the new tire.
Wow! The new tires are so cool! I like it!
The repair is done. Dear friends, you all did a great job.
Thank you so much, Super Mechanic Barry. I can head back to the race now. Goodbye!
Goodbye, Cyclone. I'll cheer you on.
Well, if it isn't my defeated opponent.
I won't fall for your trick again!
Take this!
Jump up!
What?
This is my final sprint, the Miracle Cyclone!
The champion is Race Car Cyclone!
Hooray! I like this! I won the race!
Hi, welcome to Barry Hospital. I'm Dr. Barry. I wonder who will come today. Oh? Hi, Dr. Barry. Hello, Ambulance Angela. Someone got sick. I think they need your help. Oh my, let's bring the patients inside. Today's treatment is about to begin. Are you ready? Choose our patient today. Grandpa Shark, what's wrong with your teeth?
Oh, here's what happened. Oh, these strawberry pies look delicious. Oh, these are not pies. They're seashells.
Grandpa Shark, you have 2 broken teeth. Let's help Grandpa Shark together. We need to extract the bad teeth. Before that, let's give Grandpa Shark an injection.
Oh, I feel nervous.
Done!
My mouth feels numb.
Alright, now we can start the tooth extraction. Great! The damaged teeth are out.
Whoa! Can I go eat strawberry pies now?
Not yet. We still need to put in new teeth for you. There are many different teeth here. Let's try this one. Oops, I think I made a mistake. Let's choose again. Hooray! Treatment complete! Wow, you are amazing! If you're happy, 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 dance with me.
Yo-ho!
If you're happy, 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 dance with me.
Yo-ho!
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, no pain anymore.
La la la, let's laugh out loud. All done!
See you next time!
Hi, welcome to Barry Hospital. I'm Dr. Barry. I wonder who will come today. Huh? Hi, Dr. Barry. Hello, Ambulance Angela. Someone is sick. I think they need your help. Oh my, let's bring the patients inside. Today's treatment is about to begin. Are you ready? Choose our patient today. Polar bear, what's bothering you? Here's what happened. It is so hot. I don't even have energy to catch fish. Poor polar bear. You must have gotten heat stroke. Let's help polar bear. First, we need to give polar bear a bath to cool her down. Great job! The temperature is coming down. That feels so nice. Now, let's dry the water on the polar bear's body. Polar bear looks much better now. Thank you for your help. Polar bear, is there anything else bothering you? I'm hungry. I want to eat something cold and icy. Aha! No problem! Let's make shaped eyes for polar bear now. What flavor does polar bear like? Aha! I know! Great! It's done! Polar bear, this shaped ice is made just for you. Wow, this is so delicious! Yay! Treatment complete! Wow, you are amazing! If you're happy, 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 dance with me. Yo-ho! If you're happy, 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 dance with me. Yo-ho! Are you feeling better now? Yes, no pain anymore. La la la, let's laugh out loud. All done! See you next time! Hi, welcome to Barry Hospital. I'm Dr. Barry. I wonder who will come today. Huh? Hi, Dr. Barry. Hello, Ambulance Angela. Someone is sick. I think they need your help. Oh my, let's bring the patients inside. Today's treatment is about to begin. Are you ready? Choose our patient today. Little donkey, what's bothering you?
Hey, here's what happened. Going on vacation. Hey ha, hey ha. Ouch! Ah! Oh. Oh my goodness! It hurts!
Poor little donkey. Your head got bumped badly. Oops! Let's quickly treat the little donkey. His head is smoking. Let's cool it down first.
Hey,
Let's apply some ointment to make the big bump on the head smaller. Oops, the bump is too big. Let's apply more ointment. Great, the big bump got smaller. Finally, let's choose a cool band-aid and stick it on the wound. Little donkey, which band-aid do you want to use?
Hee-haw! I like the one with grass patterns.
Yay! Treatment complete! Everyone did a great job! If you're happy, 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 dance with me.
Yo-ho!
If you're happy, 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 dance with me.
Yo-ho!
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, no pain anymore.
La la la, let's laugh out loud. All done!
See you next time!